afternoon, Starkville. We're looking at partly cloudy skies over the junction with a north wind blowing those trees. We're at about a north wind at about 11 miles per hour, sitting at about 75 degrees. And those winds are gusty all throughout northeast Mississippi. We have winds at 15 in Coffeyville, 10 in Ackerman, and 8 here in Starkville. And those are helping to keep our temperatures relatively cool. We're sitting at about the low 70s throughout all of northeast Mississippi. 74 in Winona, 72 here in Starkville, and 75 over in Columbus. And those winds are due to our Hurricane Irma, formerly Hurricane Irma, now moving through Starkville at about Tuesday at 7 a.m., 35 mile per hour wind. So that means it's just going to be a tropical depression at that point, but it's still going to bring us gusty winds and rain tomorrow and into Wednesday. Our wind predictor for the next 48 hours is showing 13 miles per hour here in Starkville. Over the next 24 hours, getting up to 11 miles per hour, and then for the following 24 hours after that into Wednesday at this time, about 10 miles per hour, and then the winds should die off. The other big thing with Irma is going to be the rain. By Wednesday, we're expected to get about an inch here in Starkville, an inch and a half in West Point, and reaching up to almost 2 inches towards northern portions of our viewing area towards Tupelo and Iuka. Our predictor is showing the rain still well off to our east in Montgomery and still into Georgia, but that's going to move our way as it continues to rotate. By about 7 o'clock tonight, we could start to see a couple of rain showers pushing in, but by tomorrow morning, we have most of the rain moving through overnight, and we still have a chance 80% for Tuesday. And into Wednesday, we're expected to clear up and be left with just a couple of showers into Wednesday. And then we should be good on rain by Thursday, moving into our football games and cowbell yell and everything else we have going on this weekend. Tonight, we're expected 59 degrees, windy and rainy, 90% chance of rain, and our gusts could get up to 35 miles per hour tonight. So if you've got any loose limbs or lawn furniture outside, be sure to bring those in or tie them up because you don't want them blowing around. Tomorrow, same story. Rainy, gusty winds, gusts up to 25 tomorrow, but our temperatures will stay relatively low at 65 due to the rain and that northerly wind keeping us cool. For the next 7 days, we're going to see the remnants of Irma push through Tuesday into Wednesday, a 20% chance on Thursday, just if there's any rain left from Irma, and then clearing up for a beautiful weekend and start to your work week next week.